Welcome back. Today I'll be the judge and I'm looking forward to this performance.
What is up, y'all? This reaction is to Hoover High School Band 2023. Show title, Connecting the Dots. Very interesting. Very interesting. I love that. If this is not your first video and you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. Thanks. Also, if you would like to stay up to date and be the first one to know what's going on, definitely always check out the description box and the community tab, because you never know what I'm gonna say. Okay, I'm gonna hop right into this reaction. Here we go. This is Hoover High School Buccaneer Marching Band 2023.
We are proud to present in Alabama Marching Band Championship performance, the Hoover High School Marching Band.
Alabama. It's a little soft, so let me see if I can get it louder or closer. Connecting the dots. Absolutely, with the ripple standing up makes sense. Connect the dots one place to another. I expect to see like movement and stop and movement and stop, you know, just exactly how they're doing, so that makes sense.
The first story is about connecting the dots.
I cannot hear.
The people in the dots will connect down the road, give them the confidence to follow it forward, keep them engaged with it.
I cannot hear. I'm not sure how accurate this audio is. What song is that? This is very pretty. These flags. Oh my gosh. It reminded me of the ocean. It's like they made an eye. Like an eyeball? I hear the drum line. Y'all sound solid good. Yeah. Look at the top. Yep. I could be doing little pet peeves, not pet peeves, but just little silly things. Like I wish the guard was a little bit closer for that. I don't know. That's probably just me. Okay, we're connecting the dots. So this dot is gonna move. This dot is gonna move. I'm gonna keep that thing that seemed like an eyeball. I'm gonna keep that in the back of my head. Good. Okay, yellow. Are these? These sickle curved rifles. Did I hear that right? Sickled rifles. I'm not sure about what I just heard, but I'm gonna scoot past that. This is gonna drive me crazy because I know the song, but I don't know this. Okay. Okay, so we have them two on the platform with some sort of, it's hard to see from here. It's like some sort of string that was trying to tie them together. real quick. I don't want to pause or anything, but the way the flags look, you know how it started with blue flags and now there's blue and yellow, almost like we kind of went from the ocean to now like the connection between like ocean and the sky, or the sun. And it looks like they just made a semicircle, like a sun. Looking out. Michael Jackson, okay. Chris Brown? That's probably Chris Brown doing somebody else's song. There is a Chris Brown song that sounds like this, y'all. I'm not tripping. That is human nature. Okay, Michael Jackson, obviously, but so what are we saying? I didn't mean to put no disrespect on the king of, the king of pop. Let me just be quiet before I get myself in trouble. This is about them and trying to figure out what we're talking about. Okay, they're in dot formation in these little pods. Get on me. That don't sound as clean as I want it to. It's alright. One big circle. These flags appear like there's now stars or dots on them. I wish I could hear this audio. I'm not sure how they're playing that. And you see these flags coming out. There's got to be more yellow. So let me come out of this whole physical dot, thought process. I feel like that each song is related to the other somehow. Now we have human nature. I think they have pretty good dynamics. Obviously we're the sun now, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go with that. And maybe not human nature, but nature. Interesting sounds. Okay. Some parts are just a little muddy. Back to the same type of thing we were doing in the beginning. You see the blue to purple gradient with the dots and the props. Couldn't tell you what we're doing here. What is that? Okay. Okay. Look, it sounded great. Plus or minus some things that sounded kind of interesting. There's a lot about color here, and I feel like the play on dots when it's not about the dots, was more about the connecting part. Whether you're connecting to other people, connecting to nature, connecting to whatever else they were doing. Storyline getting lost for me, but I don't think y'all like when I am all over the story like that, so I don't think y'all mind. I do want to know what this was about, and if I'm close or not. How do you feel? And also give me the song list if you know it, and if that ties into, does one song connect to another, which they always should, but do they connect in a more clever way, like maybe with the titles, how you will have, you know, human nature, and then the next song be nature is calling, and then calling home, you know what I mean? I think it kind of just left me with more answers than questions. Notice the dynamics and the things they were doing visually did help to try to connect some of those things, especially with the ripple in the beginning and the end. Don't know what that prop was. And so we got a lot of questions that need answers down in the comment section below. And I'm gonna leave it at that. Overall, good job, Hoover High School 2023, connecting the dots. I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.